pleasant day to each and everyone, to the teachers, viewers, and fellow students. I, Primerlinan Seriaco, together with my groupmates, Marides Dangilan, Angelica Luyun, Vanessa Pagay, Nerissa Barceliano, and Michelle Alejos, are going to talk about our database project. It's hard up in choosing on what application to use. And as they say, Microsoft Access is the easiest application to use, but still, it's hard up to understand. Even though we all try our best to understand the application, we apply our own knowledge and learnings with the teachings of our instructors, Sir Junel Ventura and Sir Bernard Juan. Microsoft Access 2010 is really different compared to Microsoft Access 2003 as we usually use in the laboratory. The environment is new and the application mostly made of icons. It seems that we are ignorant in understanding and exploring the area. The designs are really different. If you don't have the patience and willingness to learn, you will not succeed. You will not meet the things that you want to make the outcome of
We
your
are
project.
Science College Computer Laboratories conduct an inventory system using DBMS design. In dealing with this project, we are given requirements, right? And one of the requirements is to get the inventory list of equipment because we are focusing on the equipment given in a certain laboratory of an office. After receiving the list, we set a schedule to make an entity relationship diagram to serve as our guide in making the design. So we come up with the ER diagram. We are now ready to make the project.
Creating the ER diagram, we come up with this relationship. First, we separate the technician table and the equipment table. I will discuss first about the relationship of the equipment. The relationship of the equipment table to table 1 is 1 to many. Because the equipment table is related to the date of acquisition, and the relationship of table 1 to the date is many to 1, because the table is related to the date. And now, I will discuss the technician table. The relationship of the table 2 to the quantity table is many to 1, because quantity is related only to the table 2, and the relationship of the table 2 to the tech is many to 1, because table 2 is related to the quantity and the tech.
I, with my groupmates, learned many things in our project. Although we have no much idea in doing it, still we make it successful even though it's not really good as the project of our other classmates. At least we do our really best to finish our project. It's difficult to use the MS Access 2010 as the program we're using to make our project. But upon exploring it, we learned many things to make our project be done. We learned on how to put commands, making tables, queries, reports, and etc. It's really difficult, but we still enjoy it because of the ideas we learned, and also because our unity. And
A message we want to convey to other students we shall be taking the same subject is pay attention and listen attentively to the teacher when she or he is discussing the lesson, because DBMS subject is not an easy subject. DBMS subject is so difficult to learn if you don't really focus into the subject. So study your lesson before entering the class. Try also your best to understand the subject. Even the subject
DBMS has many features to discover. We have experienced all the difficulties just to finish our project. Truly, patience and proper time management must be in every group members. Exploring the application by just ourselves is not that easy, but at least it contributed a lot and acts as a supplementary tool to the information from our instructor. The making of our project must really start from ourselves. From gathering information, making of the ERD, creating the tables, queries, forms, and reports, importing files to Access. And now, we come up with the output required to us. This project is just the start for many more requirements. We must not stop discovering. Instead, we must continue improving our performance. And in behalf of my group mates, I want to greet you, good day, and thank you for viewing this video.